If you feel stuck in life right now, like you're trying but nothing is changing, this video is for you. In this video, we are going to learn 5 real reasons why you feel stuck, and how to fix it. Make sure you watch till the end, because number 5 is the reason most people never move forward. Number 1. You are doing things without direction. The first reason you feel stuck in life is because you are moving, but without direction. You are busy. You wake up. You do things. You spend your time. But at the end of the day, you feel like nothing has changed. Why? Because movement is not the same as progress. You can be doing a lot and still be going nowhere. That's what happens when you don't have direction. When you don't have a clear goal, you end up doing random things. You follow what others are doing. You try different things, but nothing connects. And over time, you feel lost, because you are putting in effort, but not seeing results. Direction gives your life focus. It tells you where you are going. It helps you decide what matters and what doesn't. Without direction, you waste time. You waste energy. And you stay in the same place. So if you feel stuck, ask yourself, what am I really working towards? Because once you have direction, your effort starts to make sense, and your progress becomes real. Number 2. You are inconsistent. The second reason you feel stuck is inconsistency. You start, then you stop. You try, then you quit. You feel motivated, then you lose it. And this cycle keeps repeating. This is one of the biggest reasons people don't grow. Not because they can't, but because they don't stay consistent. Consistency is not easy. That's why most people avoid it. It requires discipline. It requires patience. It requires showing up, even when you don't feel like it. But without consistency, nothing works. You can have the best plan, but if you don't follow it daily, it means nothing. You can have big goals, but if your actions are not consistent, you will stay stuck. Progress comes from repetition. Doing the same right things over and over again, even when it's boring, even when it's hard. So if you want to move forward, stop starting and stopping. Start and keep going. Number 3. You are afraid to take real action. The third reason you feel stuck is fear. Not always obvious fear, but hidden fear. Fear of failure. Fear of judgment. Fear of not being good enough. So what do? You stay in your comfort zone. You think about your goals, but you don't act on them. You plan, but you don't execute. Because deep down, you are afraid of what might happen. And that fear keeps you stuck, because nothing changes without action. You can think all day. You can plan all week. But until you take action, nothing moves. And here's the truth. You don't need to be perfect to start. You don't need to be ready. You just need to begin. Even if it's small. Even if it's not perfect. Because action breaks fear. Action builds confidence. Action creates change. So if you feel stuck, ask yourself, what am I avoiding? And start there. Number 4. You are surrounded by the wrong energy. The fourth reason you feel stuck is your environment. The people around you. The things you listen to. The energy you are exposed to daily. All of it matters. If you are surrounded by negativity, you will feel drained. If you are around people with no goals, you will lose focus. If you constantly consume useless content, your mindset will suffer. Environment is powerful. It can push you forward or hold you back, even if you are trying to grow. The wrong environment can slow you down, so you must protect your space. Be careful who you listen to. Be careful what you watch. Be careful what you allow into your mind, because your environment is shaping your life every day. If you want to grow, you must create an environment that supports growth. Number 5. You don't believe in yourself. The fifth and most important reason you feel stuck is because you don't truly believe in yourself. You doubt yourself. You question your ability. You compare yourself to others and feel like you are not enough. And because of that, you hold yourself back. You don't try fully. You don't commit completely. You don't push yourself, because deep down, you don't believe you can succeed. And that belief controls everything. Because if you don't believe in yourself, you won't take action. You won't stay consistent. You won't push through hard times. Belief is the foundation. Even before results, even before success, you must believe that you can grow, that you can improve, that you can change your life. Because the moment you start believing, your actions change. Your mindset changes. Your life begins to change. So don't wait for proof. Start with belief and build from there. If you're tired of feeling stuck, subscribe now and comment. I will move forward. If you're ready to change your life,